Hello students, we are solving MCQs on curve tracing and rectification of curves. So first example, the equation of the given curve is option A, r equal to a plus b cos theta for a greater than b. Option B is r equal to a plus b cos theta for a less than b. So we have to identify what will be equation for this curve. Okay, now here few things to understand here. They have given this distance to be a plus b, which is right side of theta equal to pi by 2, means this distance is greater than 0, and also they have given this distance a minus b, which is less than 0. Okay, so we can find the answer for this question using using option only. So if you'll observe here, in both the options, r equal to a plus b cos theta is similar. So difference is here only for a greater than b and for a less than b. So if you'll observe here, a is greater than b, this implies a minus b will be greater than 0. Okay, and for this a less than b, this implies a minus b is less than 0. So using options only we can get the answer. Okay, so from this condition, a minus b is greater than 0, a minus b is greater than 0, so our option B is the right answer. Next question, the equation of the tangents to the curve. We will write the curve first. The curve is given 3a y square equal to x into x minus a whole square. So we have to find the equation of the tangent. So concept should be known here. The equation of the tangent to curve is given by, how we give it, by equating to 0 the lowest degree term, So if you'll observe here in the given example, this term is of degree 3 and this term is of degree 2. So we need to equate the lowest degree term equal to 0. So this will give you y equal to 0. So y equal to 0 will be the tangent to the given curve. So option D is right answer. Next question. Integral for calculating the length of the cardioid. We'll write the cardioid first. Okay, r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, and which lies outside the circle. The equation of the circle is given, r equal to minus a cos theta. Okay, now we know this is a very standard cardioid. Okay, the cardioid will be like this. Okay, and the circle is given r equal to minus a cos theta. Now if you don't know what this curve is, okay, I will explain what it means. R equal to minus a cos theta. Okay, we know the relationship between the Cartesian and polar coordinates, that is x is equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. So if you will multiply this given equation of the circle by r on both sides, then see what will happen. What I will get, r square equal to minus a r cos theta, and again this r cos theta is nothing but x. Okay, using this equation, x is what, r cos theta, so this will be minus a into x. So this implies r square, this r square is what, x square plus y square will be minus a x. This implies x square plus y square plus ax equal to 0. So this is the general equation of the circle whose center is at minus a by 2 comma 0. Okay, so if you'll observe from this given cardioid, okay, suppose this point is minus a by 2 comma 0, and this will be the circle of radius a by 2 also. So this distance is a by 2, and if you will draw this circle, the circle will look like this. Okay, and our question is to find the arc length of the cardioid which lies outside the circle. Okay, means we have to calculate this arc length, this much. Okay, so it is enough to calculate only this much arc length, okay, and multiply it by 2. Okay, so arc length of any curve, any polar curve, the arc length is given by integration theta 1 to theta 2 under root r square dr by d theta square d theta. Okay, so finally this will be 2 times theta 1 to theta 2 under root r square dr by d theta square d theta. Okay, we need to find out what will be those theta 1 and theta 2, because in the given question all the remaining things are same except the limits. Okay, so we need to identify what will be limits. So the lower limit is theta equal to 0, that is very clear, but question is what is upper limit. Okay, and this arc length, if you will observe here, this arc length finishes here for this theta. Okay, so we need this theta. Okay, and this point is the intersection of the circle and the cardioid. So using the equation of the circle and the cardioid, we can find the equation, we can find the value for theta. So we have the cardioid r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta, and r equal to the equation of the circle minus a cos theta. So equating the LHS is same. This implies a into 1 plus cos theta equal to minus a into cos theta. So this a cancels. Okay, so from this I can find 2 cos theta which is equal to 1. Okay, so this implies cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. 2 cos theta is minus 1. Okay, so theta will be, in this case this will be 120 degree. 120 degree means 2 pi by 3. So from the given curve we can see the lower limit is theta equal to 0 and the upper limit will be theta equal to 2 pi by 3. So our option C is the right answer. Okay, next question. The question is, if x is replaced by minus x and if y is replaced by minus y, then if still the equation remains unchanged, then the curve is symmetrical about what? Okay, that is our question. So we know the example for this, y equal to x cube. If you will replace this y by minus y and this x by minus x, still the equation will remain unchanged, then the curve will be symmetrical in the opposite quadrant. So option D is right. Okay, next question. The length of cardioid r equal to a into 1 plus cos theta from theta equal to 0 to theta equal to pi is given by. Okay, so any length of the cardioid or any polar curve is given by integration theta 1 to theta 2 under root r square plus dr by d theta square d theta. Okay, so our problem is now with this r square plus dr by d theta square. Okay, we have the value for r, so r square will be a square 1 plus cos theta square. Also we can find dr by d theta using this. So dr by d theta will be minus a sin theta. Okay, so this will be plus this term dr by d theta square. So this will be a square sin square theta, which is equal to a square, split this bracket, 1 square is 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta plus this sin square theta. Okay, if you will observe here again, this term cos square theta plus sin square theta will be 1. So what we get, a square into 1 plus 2 cos theta plus 1, which is a square 2 plus 2 cos theta, 2 cos theta, which is 2a square 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so we got the value for this r square plus dr by d theta whole square, which is 2a square into 1 plus cos theta. So from this equation, s will be equal to integration theta 1 to theta 2. Limits are given from 0 to pi, and this value is what? Under root 2a square 1 plus cos theta d theta, which is equal to integration 0 to pi. This will be under root 2 into a under root 1 plus cos theta d theta. Okay, so option C is right. Next question. The curve represented by r equal to a into cos theta is symmetrical about. Now obviously this is a polar curve, and in this polar curve, if you replace this theta by minus theta, okay, the value for cos minus theta will be again cos theta, means the equation remains unchanged, means it will be symmetrical to initial line or theta equal to 0. So option D is right. Next question. The curve represented by the given equation is symmetrical about. Now again, if you observe, every x and y having power even. Okay, so power is even everywhere for x and y. It means it will be symmetric to the both the axes. Okay, so thank you. If you liked the video, share and subscribe.